Hello, I'm Kaiser and welcome to Moose Reads. Before I get started, I want to say that the opinions that I give here are my own opinions. They are extremely subjective. If I dislike a book, it is not a reflection on the author, and it is not a reflection on people who do like it. Different people have different tastes, and that's okay. Today, I will be reviewing Remnants of Filth Volume 2 by Robao Buchiro. This is a queer fantasy romance. The description says, as the case of the murders in the capital comes to a close, Mo Ji takes custody of Gu Mong, the traitor who was once his lover. With his betrayer now firmly in his grasp, Mo Ji believes he can manipulate Gu Mong into revealing the hidden secrets within his broken mind. Yet one question continues to haunt Mo Ji. Is Gu Mong pretending, or has he truly forgotten everything? Tortured by specters of the past and bound by demands of the present, Mo Ji begins to lose hope of ever gaining the satisfaction he craves. But when Gu Mong's memories finally do surface, what, or who, will he remember? I gave this 5 stars. I loved it every bit as much as the first book. Content warnings for slavery. There's not a lot I can say about this book without spoilers, so the first section will probably be brief. The first book left off in the middle of a plot, so it had to start by resolving that properly. I said before that I wasn't all that interested in this plot as it moved away from the relationship between Mo Ji and Gu Mong, but it was fine. It's still fine. Depressing, but fine. I was very happy to move past it though, because we immediately launch back into tormenting Mo Ji with his feelings, which is what I'm here for. We do get plenty of that in here, but I think it's fair to say that most of Volume 2 is about Gu Mong getting some emotional turmoil, which was just delightful. I think we've now been half introduced to our primary antagonist in the form of the Lao Kingdom's Guoxi, but it's too early to say for sure. Also, he wears a mask, so there's room for a shocking twist somewhere in the future. Okay, that's really all there is to say without spoilers. Honestly, I don't have a lot to say otherwise, I don't think. Still, if you don't want spoilers, now is the time to pause or close the video. For everyone else, let's talk details. At this point, I feel like Mo Ji's head servant not knowing that Mo Ji is completely gone for Gu Mong is a matter of willful ignorance. He seems to pick up on a lot of Mo Ji's subtleties, but somehow he hasn't noticed this. This book spends a lot of time with Gu Mong figuring out how to get by in the world, and then starts throwing memories at him. I really enjoyed getting bits of Gu Mong's past through his own lens. It's starting to make a lot of sense what might have gone wrong between him and Mo Ji that led to his betrayal. Although I'm still low-key betting there's some external influence involved. I kinda have to bet on it, because I'm not sure I can ever really root for these two if he really did just stab Mo Ji in the heart because he didn't have faith in him. It is completely ridiculous that Gu Mong has remembered his relationship with Mo Ji now, actively said that he believes Mo Ji meant every promise he made despite not believing it before, and still somehow managed to come away thinking Mo Ji is in love with the princess. These people are all morons. I love them. Like I said before, I think we were introduced to the primary antagonist of this story through the memories of Li Qingqian. Also, like I said, he's wearing a mask, so who is actually beneath that is still a mystery that we'll need solving. And I won't be surprised if it turns out to be someone we've met, although the logistics on that seem a little complicated. Currently, I'm placing my bets on Zhang Yeshui, because he is literally the least suspicious man in the universe. We'll see. I still love this, so I'll be picking up Volume 3 when it comes out in March. That's all I have to say about Remnants of Filth Volume 2. If you liked this video, I hope you'll watch more in the future. Thanks for watching this one. Bye.